Let's start by setting up a client. Click Clients on the side menu and then Add Client. Now we're creating a client organization. Choose your client's brand color and add their logo. You can add two versions of the logo, one for light themes and one for dark themes. Now let's create a client contact. Click Add First Contact. Add their name and email. The email used here is where the portal magic link will be sent to. After you've added all your client contacts, you're ready to invite them to your portal. However, you would only do this once your portal is ready. Head back to your starter template and make sure you customize it with all the documents, links, and other items you want your clients to see. Then come back and click Email Link to send a magic link to your client's email, or Create Link to get a link you can copy-paste and send to your client via WhatsApp or other messaging platforms. If you want to see the portal as a client, head to the project and click the View as Client button. After you've created a client, you should manage the permissions on your project settings. Navigate back to your project and click Manage Access. Now choose your client contacts, and click Save Changes. Now it's time to customize the portal. Let's navigate to the Project Settings menu. On the first tab, you can change your project name, add tags, change your currency, and the display language of your portal. On the second tab, Branding, we can customize the color scheme to better match your client's colors. We can choose between light and dark modes and choose a main color, which will reflect in various aspects of the portal. In Portal Dashboard Header, we can choose between light and dark modes, independent from the rest of the portal. The tint color will be overlaid over the background image. You can customize the background image here. Either upload something from your computer or choose from the Unsplash database. You can play around with the opacity. You can pick a custom font type, which will reflect in the portal interface and in your documents. Now click Modules. You can turn on or off different modules on the portal. This depends on your preference and what's useful to your client. You can customize the module icon and name, turn them on and off, and remove the timeline of events. Let's take a look at the Manage Access tab. Here you can choose who has access to what and what type of actions they can take on the portal. On your team, you can add team members via email and give them a specific role: member, project manager, or admin. On your client, we can define, as we did a moment ago, what client organizations we want for this project and who the client contacts are. And finally, on Docs and Files permissions, we can decide what actions our clients can take on the portal. The Create button, when turned on, will allow clients to create folders and file links and upload files. The Update button will allow clients to reorder files and edit document titles. The Remove button will allow clients to delete folders, files, and documents. And the Move button, which can only be enabled by turning on both Create and Remove, allows clients to move files and folders to different locations on the portal. If you turn any of the functions off, your clients lose the ability to do those functions. Quick links add important URLs to the top of your project, so your clients can access them fast. You can rearrange them, change the link, icon, or label, which will all reflect in the portal. You can also choose whether a link opens in a new tab or in the current tab. Use our embeds to embed external pages into your project. Just make sure the pages are publicly available. In this example, I'll use this Trello board. Just copy the URL and paste it in SuperOkay. You can change the icon, label, and description. Don't forget to save. Now head back to your portal to see your changes. Your first portal is customized and will look super professional to your clients. Before we go, a few reminders about the functionality of Docs and Files in SuperOkay. If you want your Docs and Files to be visible to your clients, you must add them to your shared folder. Any document or file inside the shared folder will be visible to your clients. Any doc or file outside of it will only be visible to you and your team.